We're not working on your car, man.
Why not?
Because it's a piece of shit. But thanks for Taco Bell. Alright fellas, well today we're installing BCs on Mason's 335 finally, because throttle, let's hear some words about throttle.
Do you really want to hear the fucking word? Daughter, you might be the worst fucking company I've ever fucking dealt with. You might literally just stop. Your customer service sucks dick. I'm sorry, fellas.
These were ordered July like 15th.
Yeah.
And they just came. You know, I'll probably understand that some people may say that my customer service sucks, but I'm one person. Throttle makes probably $3 million a month.
Emails, they'll send like once a month.
Anyways, we got some BCs. We're putting them on and then going to the track down in Virginia. Yes, sir. If you guys need to know how to install these, I made a video. I'll pop it up in the corner. So we got the first one on there, the front driver's side, and we're just maxing out. We're just going full max. That's as low as this fucker will go. So we're sending it. Mine's on the same coilovers, but I can't go as low as he's gonna be able to go because I'm on aftermarket wheels. And he's on little bitchy stocks.
Watch your fucking self.
But these aren't the extreme lows. These are the BR series ones. So it's not gonna go stupid low, but it'll be low enough. Both fronts are on lowest setting.
Ooh.
Still got some room.
I think that's
It's a respectable height. It's also on 2x4s right now, and every coilovers, once you go on one drive, it lowers. She's done.
Oh my! I almost fucking took my head out.
It's sitting up pretty high.
Are they maxed out?
Yeah. Well, it's probably staying like that for the night, because we gotta run to the track. We're a little late.
They'll come down.
It still looks a million times better. You got faith everything's tight?
Not really, but
Hopefully I don't get a call.
oh, that's just
It's just fast juice. Yeah. All right, come on. No, boy. It looks good. That fish looks clean.
all right.
All right. Man's literally scraped leaving my house. I gotta get in the shower and we gotta mob down the track because we're so late.
Yo. Watch out. Stop.
So we're headed to this 8th mile track and down in Virginia. And if you peep the drip, we got the merch on. So that's dropping on October 15th, next Friday. So make sure to cop. It's gonna be a part of the second drop that I've ever dropped. I will never drop the same tee ever again. I'm gonna keep it super limited, so the people who buy them this week are gonna be the only ones to probably ever have it. So head to Travis's, then we're all gonna mob down to the track. All right, boys, we out here filling up. We got Travis in the whip. We got Mason Carson over there.
Okay, watch out. See a nigga coming out with a tank top, with a pocket of shells hot. Don't give a fuck, nigga, I'll break a nigga down if you try to
All right, so we made it to the track. The track looks a little sketchy, I'm not gonna lie. But I think I'm gonna run it, not on E85, probably not tonight, but it'll be my first runs. I think I'm gonna go for it, but it's only an 8th mile, so it's really short. We out here. But waiting on Travis to get a drink.
I think that purple bike, that thing.
Got us some Test and Tune stickers. Are you ready to run this shit up? 69, baby. I'm sending this bitch into the wall. That man getting down with it right there. He didn't even tell me. I would have been out there with him.
Sneaky little slithery sneaky snake.
Gap
sauce.
You sure ain't gonna tell no one? Alright boys, going out here. I've never done this shit before in my entire life. Yo.
Look at the hang of it.
What am I doing?
Meanwhile.
I don't know how to zoom in, y'all, my bad. You gotta say the people.
That thing got down, boy. Got some cheese. Having a good time, man. Chilling.
Hell yeah.
Alright. Alright, he said he was running like 8 something. I'm a little nervous because I've never done this shit before, but
I don't know how to zoom in. Fuck. Oh, I'm dumb.
You're gonna hold it and then roll through it.
Okay.
So just let out the brake like you're doing a rolling burnout.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
So much more potential though, because I did such a bad launch. Everything about that was terrible.
You gotta let it keep. Alright, come on.
Go?
Run it, you good.
That pass felt 100 times better. My burnout was still shit though. Appreciate it. I ran an 8.2 at 89. Well, now me and Mason are going out there. Probably gonna race each other.
Oh, here's the race car, Beaver. I missed this one.
Yes, sir.
Is that Blazer or what?
I don't know. This is my first time out here. The coolant light just came on. Yo, is this shit smoking under the hood again? Back off. It's leaking coolant. Fuck. More problems. If y'all seen last video, that shit was smoking because oil. Now it's smoking because coolant. Always some shit going on. Always issues. So annoying. So you ran a 770 or what?
91.
That ain't bad.
It's feeling strong. That one didn't feel my fastest at all. I got a little squeak and I got a little click. Y'all are gonna fucking hear it. Listen. Hold on, man. What? You broke it. He did that side. Just saying. Just saying. 790. Well, that's not good.
Rock just hit me, it kind of hurt. Can't show no emotion.
Gotta hit your nitrous. Where's your nitrous? Right there. Mason. Another one down.
You're gonna get all soft.
Oh. Sound like the Lexus.
Shut the fuck up. Fucking nitrous backfire.
Film it. Hey! Oh! Don't do it. Alright, give me some time.
Oh shit.
Man, spray a little.
I can't do a burnout for him.
He wanted some love from Travis.
I'm gonna lose. I'm not gonna be as fast only because I'm pushing a fat ass nitrous car I was trying to keep up with.
She gets jiggy with it.
She does.
Not Mason. Talking about motherfucking heavy Chevy.
I had a little 50 shot, it would have been over. I gotta get my man some driving lessons, I think. Look like I'm bowling.
The tie-dye shirt with the purple poofy hair said that you're hot as fuck. She told me to tell you. You're spilling coolant. She said, oh, he's not going up. He said, no, he's got a coolant leak. She goes, oh, tell him I said, and that's it.
That one right there?
Yeah, yo, that's all you, brother.
Hey, I'm good, bro.
Get into it.
That's all you, baby. Fuck, you want it?
I got another one? Appreciate you. Should I stop while we're ahead, or should I just...
This is the last one. Go ahead right now.
Wheel hop like a motherfucker.
Yeah, 335.
She's running good though. Copyright, that motherfucker gonna charge me, boy.
So hold on, let me tell you my half real quick. She's walking right here, and she kept looking at me, and I was pointing at him like, where you were? Just looking around. He walked up to him.
And she's like, hey. I was like, what's up? She's like, so your Snapchat. And I was like, oh. And then literally, she like takes my phone and adds herself, and she's like, oh, well, I have big tits, so. And then she adds herself and just walks away.
What the fuck?
Hey, I'm not snapping her back.
I bitches were bouncing, I tell you, but they were big. She wasn't capping.
Non-escape fucking leaking, literally everything. It's so annoying. I literally was at 240.
I think it's the cap or the seal.
Right under that charge pipe armor is where I've had a leak before. But it's leaking higher. It is leaking higher.
It's definitely the cat.
Well, the main thing I noticed was smoke was coming out the left side of my hood. Like it through the vent. All I know is that motherfuckers are living life over there. She just snapped me this.
Oh my god.
Fuck, man.
Snap her back and be like, bet.
You say bet? Travis like it's a butt.
I don't know. Close to 30 minutes, your body just starts naturally getting the funk out. They're listening?
Now we're recording.
Oh, okay.
Now we're recording. You're good.
Y'all don't want to listen to other shit.
The second one was pretty decent. First one was shit. And then the third one, you know, cooling problems. So hopefully we can make it home. We have an hour and a half drive. Travis secured some butt.
No, you did.
Alright, so I just got back home. It's really annoying that I had that coolant problem because I was actually enjoying doing that. Like the first pass, I was just kind of like, not really nervous because there was like barely anyone at the track. But like, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I would have done it like probably 3 or 4 or 5 more times. Mason ran probably 10 times. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, so see y'all in the morning. So next day, and I was going to get me some Popeyes. The coolant like blew up again, and it's all over the place. It's even leaking down the headlight like the oil did in the last video. It's all up on here. It's all over the place. So I spent all day relocating this front coolant hose because I thought that was a problem because I thought it was kinked over there. So I took it in front of the intercooler piping and it did a 90 in. But all it wound up being was just this bleeder screw. So now it's all good and it holds coolant perfectly fine. I just got finished up completely degreasing the belly pans and like the whole motor because there was coolant and oil everywhere from the 2 incidents that we had in the past 2 videos. Don't forget we have the merch dropping right here. We have 40 of these tees dropping exactly 2 days from when this video is going out. So this video is going out Wednesday at 8 p.m. So the drop will be live on Shop Webbies on Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to cop. I know a bunch of people are going to be on there trying to get them. So I have a good feeling they might go decently quick. So if you want one, make sure to cop one because I will never drop them again. I think next thing that we're going to do is sweatshirts because it's getting cold. Other than that, follow me on Instagram. That's gonna do it for this video.
What's happening? You a whole by fuck a fraction. Numbers do not lie. You a dog yet for the captain. Once you by my side, that's the only main attraction.